Amber Heard began giving evidence on Monday in Johnny Depp's libel case against News Group Newspapers, NGN, and claimed her ex threatened to kill her. Depp is suing NGN, publishers of the Sun newspaper, over an April 2018 article, written by executive editor Dan Wootton, which labeled him a wife-beater. Speaking at the High Court today, Heard, 34, claimed there were numerous incidents of abuse during her turbulent marriage and that Depp, 57, had threatened to kill her many times. Addressing the High Court, Heard said, "Some incidents were so severe that I was afraid he was going to kill me, either intentionally or just by losing control and going too far." He explicitly threatened to kill me many times, especially later in our relationship. Read more related articles. Amber also claimed that Depp was often putting on a facade as he is very good at manipulating people. She alleged, "One thing that is important to know about Johnny at the outset is that he has a unique ability to use his charisma to convey a certain impression of reality. He is very good at manipulating people. With me, at least early in our relationship, he was able to express contrition after acts of violence. He would blame all his actions on a self-created third party instead of himself, which he often called the monster." Read more related articles. He would speak about it as if it was another person or personality and not him doing all these things. I started to do so as well, referring to the monster to describe him during the worst periods of his violent and abusive behavior, especially the violent incidents that took place while he was abusing drugs and alcohol. Heard continued, "When we were together, it was magic. When Johnny wanted to be affectionate towards you, he was intensely affectionate, warm and charming. I called this the warm glow. When Johnny puts his attention on you, with all his intensity and darkness, it is unlike anything I've ever experienced. When I say he was dark, he had a violent and dark way of speaking, the way he talked about our relationship being dead or alive and telling me that death was the only way out of the relationship, the way he would describe what he wanted to do to me if I left him or hurt him, for example, carving my face up so no one else would want me, and in his language towards others who he didn't like or was threatened by, detailing how he wanted to have someone tortured or how cheap and easy it would be to have someone knocked off. He could be very intense and dark. It was the polar opposite of the warm glow." Heard added, "Johnny attacked me a lot of times, on many different occasions. The court has already been told that the actress accuses her former spouse of attacking her on at least 14 occasions between 2013 and 2016, after allegedly becoming angry after a drink and drugs binge. Depp has denied these allegations. Amber also said that Depp accused her of having affairs with her film co-stars today, including Channing Tatum, Eddie Redmayne and James Franco. She added, "He also accused me of having affairs with stars I auditioned with, like Leonardo DiCaprio."